If you own a Tesla or you know someone that owns a Tesla, you're in for a treat. In this video, I'll be going over the top 12 must-have Tesla accessory gifts for the Model Y and the Model 3. All of these accessories have a special use and I do not see myself living without them. And as always, the links to the products will be in the description in the exact order I go over them, so all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Let's go. The first accessory that I think is absolutely necessary for all Tesla owners is the MagBak RimCase, and MagBak has sponsored this video. It's quite literally a case for your rims. They come in the 20-inch inductions and the 21-inch Uber turbines for the Model Y, and they come in the 20-inch Uber turbines for the Model 3. When you purchase a MagBak RimCase set, you get 4 boxes, one for each wheel. It's $2.99 and it comes to about $75 per wheel. In each box, you get the rim segments, protective films, and alcohol wipes. The first thing you want to do is wipe down your wheel with the alcohol wipes to make sure it's clean. Next, you put on the protective films, and then after that, you pop on the rim case segments. With the rim case segments, you want to start with the valve segment first. With all of these, you want to ensure you've removed the 3M tape on the back before popping them on. Simply place it on the rim and clip it back over until you hear it click into place. If you have the Uber turbine wheels like me, you want to go counterclockwise when installing the rest of the segments. If you have the induction wheels, you go clockwise. Now the process is very easy and straightforward. The segments clip over the rim and pop into place. The only tricky part is the last segment, as it requires slightly detaching the outer hook of the first segment. So use a pry tool provided to gently pop up the first piece so that the last piece can go under it with ease. Then simply reattach them to ensure they're secure in place. If you've seen Tesla wheels out on the road, you've certainly seen them curbed up. The peace of mind the MagBak RimCase provides you is a no-brainer. I've had these on for about a month now and they have been fantastic and they've held up great. Now, $300 for 4 wheels is a no-brainer to me, considering that one new wheel is upwards of $500 to $600. If you want to repair any existing curb rash damage, it can run you about $100 to $150 per wheel. So with the MagBaks being $75 per wheel, it makes the most sense to me. I think they're a great investment if you're worried about curbing your rims. And hey, if you decide to grab one for yourself, use the code TESLAMAT at checkout to save 15% off your entire order. Links will be in the description below. The next product from MagBak is a Tesla phone charger. Check it out. This is what it looks like, and it's a wireless charger for your phone, and it's very easy to install. There's some 3M tape on the back, you just peel it off and you're good to go. Then, you just simply feed the wiring under here, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Once you've done that, you just plug it in and you're good to go. It's very sleek, it's very minimalistic, and you barely notice that it's even there. Here it is in action right here. I'm just gonna put on the phone. Snaps onto place every time, has a strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about it falling off, and it fast charges at 10 watts. Now this is perfect for the next MagBak product, which is a MagBak phone case. Here's a MagBak phone case for my iPhone 15 Pro. I really like it because it provides maximum protection for my phone and has these raised corners for extra cushion and shock absorption if I do drop my phone. It's fully MagSafe compatible and it fits in perfectly with this Tesla phone charger from MagBak. I think this combo of the MagBak phone case and the MagBak Tesla charger are perfect. They seamlessly integrate into the Tesla's minimalistic interior, and the best part is it keeps your phone at eye level, so you have a perfect POV of your phone at any time. Each MagBak phone case also comes with these mag sticks, and you can stick these pretty much anywhere you want. For example, I'll do it horizontally so that my phone is in a horizontal orientation, and you can see how easily it is to just stick on and just put my phone on there, and the magnet will hold it in place every time. Again, links to these will be in the description, and use the code TESLAMAT at checkout for 15% off your entire order. As you know, there was recently the Tesla Cybertruck delivery event, and this next product is from Hansshow and is a Cyber Backpack. It's really cool because it resembles a Cybertruck, and I've collaborated with Hansshow in the past on the power frunk for the Model Y and the carbon fiber spoiler for the Model Y. It goes well with the Cybertruck and it has a combination lock for added security. Here, let me show you how it works. So for example, I've put 777 for my lock. And if you just press this button over, it pops it up. And now you can just open it up. It has a very ergonomic design, and you can fit a 17-inch laptop right there. And best of all, it has a spot for you to wire your USBs through it, right here. You can put any wire you want and to have access to it on the outside. I really like it because it's a hard shell design, and it's water resistant on this part. And it fits really well. It doesn't cause any soreness, it doesn't cause any back pain in the testing that I've done with some laptops and some tech gear. I highly recommend this product. Use the code TESLAMAT at checkout for 20% off your order. All right, so this next thing is a TesCamp Refrigerator. Yes, you heard that right, a refrigerator for your Model Y. It's from TesCamp and it's the absolute beast. It comes with two things in the box, the refrigerator and a steel plate to distribute the weight. Now you put the steel plate under it if you don't have any floor mats so it can distribute the weight evenly. And if you do have floor mats, it's not necessary, but you can put it under it for extra reinforcement, extra distribution. And I'll do that just to show you. So it goes right here and you're done. It goes in the center, right under it. And it's a very easy install. You simply put it under your center console and there are these knobs on the side that help it move up or down so that it can be snug in place so it doesn't move around while you're driving. So here it is. Okay, let's go here. So I'm gonna turn the knob until it raises it a little so that it can be snug. All right. Okay. All right, it's in place. Now it's time to plug it in. It has a short wire, so you don't have to worry about any dangling wires in the long run. So let's check it out. All right. So here it is, it's currently on. There are three settings. There's a freezing, refrigerator, and a heater setting. So here's the freezing setting, it's 21 degrees Fahrenheit. So it'll take about, I think, 7 to 10 minutes for it to get down to 21 degrees. And then there's a refrigerator mode. The minimum is 43 degrees, so it'll take some time because I just plugged this in, it's at 64. And then there's a heating setting, it gets to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, which is insane. This is the perfect thing for road trips, both in the summertime and the wintertime, because of the 3 different temperature settings. So you can see here, I fit 4 bottles of water easily in here. And let's see how many cans of beverages I can fit in there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans of beverages easily in there. Your drinks are just an arm's length away and is a perfect thing if you have a family, if you go on road trips, or if you do ride sharing. Real quick, I want to show you guys a quick close-up of the TesCamp Refrigerator. Overall, I'm really impressed with its quality. I really like how the colors came out, how it's very Tesla-like colors, how it fits very perfectly in the center console. And I really like these buttons. They're very tactile and clicky. They're not cheap plastic buttons. There's no cheap material anywhere. I really like the door, how it's just very easily opened like that. It's just very satisfying. Yeah, overall, I love this product. I cannot wait to use it on road trips. If you're interested in purchasing this TesCamp refrigerator, be sure to use my code in the description below for 5% off your order. Now the next accessories are Ekster Wallets. Ekster Wallets are a premium smart wallet, and they're the world's slimmest and smartest wallet. I've partnered with Ekster before, and I really like their wallets. They make sustainable wallets, bags, and accessories. The Eclipse and the Astral are the latest colors for this card holder. It's probably my favorite wallet as it's very compact and minimal. I carry one of these with me everywhere I go as it's very slim and minimalistic. I get compliments on it all the time. Just like a Tesla, Ekster wallets are very sleek and modern. I see Ekster as a James Bond of wallets. It's half the size of a conventional bifold wallet, and the quick card access pops up all of your cards up with a click of a button. They're currently having an insane Christmas sale going on, offering up to 55% off. Use the code MATT at checkout. Link is in the description. This next product is a Fanttik tire inflator, and it's an absolute game changer for me. It's very easy to use, and all you do is simply turn it on, and set it to the PSI that you want. For me, my Model Y's PSI is 42 cold. That's what it's recommended. And I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. It's as simple as just twisting it in and you're good to go. Then once you're ready, you just simply turn it on. Once it hits the PSI you've set it at, it'll automatically turn off, and that means you're good to go. Now let's talk about why it's important to have a tire inflator and why I take the Fanttik tire inflator with me everywhere I drive. First and foremost is emergency tire situations. If you're experiencing low tire pressure or if you have a flat tire, it's perfect for topping it up to get to the next service center or to a tire shop to get it repaired or to get it replaced. Next is convenience. When you're on a long road trip, the last thing you want to think about is having tire issues. And third is regular maintenance. Having your tires at the recommended cold PSI is perfect for increased efficiency and tire longevity. If you've ever sat in the back seat of a Model Y, you know how stressful it is to lose that seatbelt. Let me show you. It's all the way back there, and you always have a tough time finding where it is when you're sitting back here. But luckily for you, Spigen has a solution. It's this raised seatbelt holder. It's very easy to install. All you have to do is lift this up and put in the 2 prongs and you're good to go. Then you just feed the seatbelt through it, and it's easy as that. Whenever you're using a seatbelt, it just glides effortlessly. Then when you let go, it stays in place. So you no longer will lose your seatbelt, and you no longer will be stressed about finding where it is. If you've ever sat in a Model Y or a Model 3, you know how annoying the center console can be with things just moving around and rattling while you're driving. There's no organization and things are just down there. But luckily for you, Spigen has a solution with their center console organizer. It's very easy to use and it slides back and forth for ease of access for the beneath compartment. And I really like it because it's made of a high quality material and it organizes my things very nicely. I no longer have to dig around to find my sunglasses when I'm driving. I highly recommend the Spigen Center Console Organizer. Arguably, one of the most essential accessories for your vehicle is floor mats. Now I know the market is flooded with options and it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. I personally believe the industry leader is 3D Max Spider. I actually did an in-depth review on these floor mats and let me tell you, they're my absolute favorites. If you want to know all the details, make sure to check out the link in the description to watch that video. But briefly, what makes these floor mats stand out is that they are lightweight, durable, and odorless. They are also anti-slip, which means they'll stay securely in place even during those most spirited drives. Plus, cleaning them is a breeze. They truly tick all of the boxes of what you want in a floor mat. I've also got a discount code for you. By using the code TESLAMAT10 at checkout, you can save $10 off your order. So be sure to check them out by clicking the link in the description below. Next is a ceramic coating. Now you may be wondering, what's the big deal about ceramic coatings? Well, let me break it down for you. A ceramic coating acts as a protective shield for your car's paint, safeguarding it against harmful pollutants, UV rays, water spots, and even oxidation. Not only does it provide protection, but it also helps maintain that showroom shine, luster, and that color we all love. Some shops out there charge an arm and a leg for a professional ceramic coating application. But fear not, because I've got you covered. I've created a step-by-step guide on how to apply a ceramic coating to your vehicle for under $100. Yes, you heard me right, under $100. In that video, I walk you through the entire process, from start to finish. I even demonstrate how I applied the ceramic coating to my own Model Y, including on top of the PPF on my front bumper and hood. So if you're ready to give your Tesla that extra layer of protection and an incredible shine, check out the link in the description below to watch my detailed tutorial. So there you have it. These were 12 Tesla accessories that are perfect gifts for the holiday season, or just to have in general. Again, links to all of the accessories are in the description below with the discount codes for each one. If you do decide to purchase them, be sure to use the links and the discount codes because it helps support this channel at no additional cost to you. Drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. What are your favorite Tesla accessories? Leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.